To draw perfect snowflakes, we can use the Drawing Guide function. On the new layer, tap on Settings, turn on Drawing Guide, edit Drawing Guide, select Symmetry, then Options and Radial. Then move the middle point to where we want the snowflakes to be and press Done. When you open your layers, you should see it now says Assisted. That means that this layer has the Symmetry function turned on. You can turn it on and off by tapping the layer and tapping Drawing Assist. So make sure it's on when you draw snowflakes. Now all I have to do is draw one part of the snowflake and it'll produce a circular symmetry and form a snowflake. If we open up the Settings menu and click on Edit Drawing Guide, we can move the point to another area to draw more snowflakes. And when you're done, just turn off Drawing Guides and turn off Drawing Assist. You can use the selection function I talked about earlier to move around the snowflake, or you can swipe down with 3 fingers and duplicate the snowflake and move it to the spot you want, resize, or rotate it. Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Friendly Fishy. In this channel I post tutorials, draw with me's, and other cute creations featuring my persona Fishy Cat. So remember to hit the subscribe button to join me on my art journey, and comment to tell me what you want me to draw next.